Hello and welcome everybody. In this video I would like to review a cassette player which supports micro SD card. So pretty small package, I would say, looking at the details on the packaging. So we have a tape playing, we have SD card playback, which means probably it can play from SD card. It can also do the recording. There is LCD screen, earphone jack and Type-C 5V. So let's open up the package. So we have got one user manual, I guess, in here. Yeah, this is the user manual. This is the micro SD to USB converter. We have got the charging cable here and the device itself. Let's open it up. Oh, so that's a black one. Here is a white one, but fine. Pretty small, I would say. Interesting design. Not the best plastic quality, I would say. So I'm not sure. Okay, so we can open this probably from somewhere. This is the stop, this is the volume. So let's try to open this. There we go. So that's where the cassettes go inside. So unfortunately I do not have a cassette to try this out, but so this is the battery case on. Oh, it has a battery itself as well. Interesting. So it can probably do a playback. Well, there's nothing inside, so it cannot start it. Interesting. So I can feel that when this is open, probably if you play this, oops, let's open it one more time. So I assume the engine would turn around. Yeah, there we go. Check this out. Interesting technology. So quite a nice thing they have done. So I believe there are still many people who have the cassettes, and this is a perfect thing to convert. So it comes with a 16GB also SSD card, micro SD card. So this one, let's put it back. There's a headphone jack as well, and there is an on and off button. Not bad, quite interesting. So rated power 3W, so quite a low power as well. Interesting. And also a 5V USB-C charging port. So it could have a battery in here, or am I wrong? Let's open it up, check it out what we have got. I'm very curious. So what do we have? So what is in the back side of it? Interesting. So it seems like this is not supposed to be opened even. I thought it's like a AA battery case, but it's not. So it's something else. It's not supposed to be opened even, which means it has its own battery here. So basically it can supply the power. It doesn't need to have an additional battery inside. So it can start, stop, play, fast forward, cassette door, random play, and so on. So there are the buttons. Pretty self-explanatory, I would say. If the word no appears on the screen, it means that the product has not inserted an SD card. Please put the tape into the case and press play. Interesting. Pretty simple, I would say. Yeah, hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, write it down below. If you have any products which you would like me to test, please get in touch with me. I'm happy to do so. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and see you in the next video.